Okay, it's science time, science time, science time. Okay, so for science this week, what we are going to do is we are going to talk about the things that we have learned in science. So we need our charts, of course, and we will be using this in our Zoom meeting tomorrow. We will talk about what we know, what we wanted to know, and what we learned about plants, So if you write down some of those things so you can have them ready for our Zoom meeting tomorrow, that would be awesome sauce. Okay, so one of the things that we are going to do for our science is a graphic organizer this week. We can do a graphic organizer this week, okay? So today, what I want you to fill in is I want you to fill in the needs column. What do plants need? What can plants do? That could be our tomorrow column. What do plants have? That could be our Wednesday column. And Thursday, plants are what? So we're gonna fill in our 4 boxes about plants. This is our graphic organizer. And remember, we use our graphic organizer to do what? To write our sentences. And so then this will be our sentence sheet. This will be our page to write all about plants. And so what goes in the box? Our picture will go in the box. And then our words will go on the line. And are we just gonna write words? No, we're gonna write some sentences. So we're gonna use these things to help us. And so what we'll do during our Zoom meeting tomorrow is we are going to create a word bank. I'll have a word bank set up. And matter of fact, I'm trying to figure out how I can project it so that you can see me writing. As I don't have an easel here with me, but Miss Burns is going to hook it up for you so that you can see me writing and doing some things. So right now, let's go ahead and fill in. Let's get part of this done. And I'm going to use my high chair right here to help me. I'm going to use it to help me write. Okay. This is what we call using what you have to help learn. Okay. So I brought my high chair over here, and I'm going to turn the computer so that you can see me writing. Even though I could type this on the white screen, I want you to see what it looks like. Okay, so what do we know about plants? We know plants grow. We know plants have a stem. They have leaves. What else do plants have? What else do they have? They have roots. So that could be how we fill in our chart. Okay, so plants grow. Plants have a stem. They have leaves. They have roots, right? So we already know, that. What do we wanted to know about plants? We wanted to know how plants grow. And what did we learn about how plants grow? And so we will fill in this column tomorrow in our Zoom meeting. We'll fill in this column tomorrow in our Zoom meeting, okay? So that's what we will do tomorrow. We'll fill that in, And then we will look at completing we'll start our sheet and get ready for our writing that will be due on Friday. Our writing that will be due on Friday. And so I'm going to put in, add some links in for some extra plant information. I don't add them into the YouTube, into the recording because they are copyrighted. And so I don't want to record them into my recording. So I just add the extra links into the Class Dojo so that you can click on them as you would like. But that's what we're going to be doing for science this week, so you can get a head start on it. I will put those things into a link for you, and I will upload them for you, and you could have a great science day.